Embrace the pace, enjoy the view, connect with what matters most at Tofino's original beachfront resort. Sounds snazzy. That's just the language that the people at Ocean Village Resort have on their website. This is a review of Ocean Village Resort. In this video, I'm gonna tell you the things that I liked about Ocean Village Resort and the things that I didn't like. First thing that I liked are the cabins. So you get to stay in your own cabin, or you could share with someone who is either above you or below you. We stayed in a cabin where we were above someone else. The advantage of each and every one of these cabins is they all have a view of the ocean, at least from what I could tell. You might have another cabin that's in front of you, but they are built on something that looked like a hill or a slope, so everyone kind of has a view of the ocean. That's number two. The second thing that I liked, the view. When you are in your cabin, you do have a view of the ocean, so that was really nice, not to have to go to the ocean and just to see it. The third thing that I liked is they are within walking distance to the beach. And when I mean walking distance, I'm really talking about like a 1-minute walk to the beach. But Mackenzie Beach is really long, so you can go there and take maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes walking up and down, seeing what's out there. It's really nice and it's so beautiful. I have a lot of videos and pictures that I took over there, and I'll just be putting them here for you guys to see. The other thing I liked is the kitchen. Their kitchens are really awesome. They have a fully stacked kitchen, and by that I mean that their kitchen has all the utensils that you need to cook yourself a meal. So if you need pots, pans, a kettle, whatever it is, they have it and you can make yourself a meal. One thing that I like that might not even seem important to some people is their beds have storage. So their beds have drawers underneath them. If you are looking for supplies or bedding, you will find them in these drawers. Their cabins have a couch. They also have a dining area. So if you have a family or are seeking to just enjoy staying indoors, which a lot of people who are going to Tofino, maybe you're not trying to do that. If you are just looking to stay inside when it's raining outside, this is a nice place. You will not be complaining whilst you're in here. Ocean Village Resort is also just a walking distance to Tofino. So I don't know if you've heard about Tofino or not, but if you are going to Ocean Village Resort, I highly recommend that you stop by Tofino and just check out their tacos. They're really nice. The other thing that I really liked was their self-check-in. I don't know if it was just because of COVID or not, but they had a really wonderful self-check-in policy. They were very responsive through text when we were self-checking in, which was really wonderful. We enjoyed the entire process that they gave us. Let's move on to the things that I didn't like about the Ocean Village Resort. I didn't like that they don't have a TV within their unit. They still have Wi-Fi. If you are traveling with a laptop or your phone, you might still watch some Netflix when it's raining outside. And you notice that I keep on saying when it's raining outside, because if you are planning on going there anytime that is not the summertime, it will be raining. Let's talk about the things that I didn't try. So I didn't try the barbecue stands outside. They have communal barbecue stands, so if you just want to have a barbecue with the family, it has a nice shed over it so you can enjoy it with your family over there. The other thing that I didn't try were their fire pits. They have fire pits with a couple of chairs around them. You can hang out on these fire pits and enjoy a nice comfortable conversation with your family or loved ones, whoever it is you're traveling with, or you could meet someone whilst you're on vacation. I don't know. The other thing that I did not get to try was their swimming pool. So they have a swimming pool here. I'm guessing it's for when it's raining because they have an ocean right in front of their cabin. So if it is raining, then you could just go and take a swim in the covered swimming area. It is supposed to be really nice, but I didn't get to try it out. The other thing that I didn't try were their pet-friendly facilities. I don't know if each and every one of these cabins is pet-friendly, but they do state that they are pet-friendly. So if you have a pet, you might be able to stay in one of these cabins, and I am of no use to you if you are watching this video because you wanted to hear about their pet-friendly policy. You might just want to give them a call or send them a text. Those are the things that I liked and didn't like, and some of the things that I didn't get to try, so I can't really recommend or not recommend them, but I thought that it would be important for you to know that they are available. Bonus tip for people who are going to be traveling to Tofino via car. I suck at this. Bonus tip for people who are going to be driving to Tofino: please pass through Cathedral Grove. You will see some of the oldest trees on Vancouver Island, some of the tallest, widest, oldest trees. Wow, that's an awesome title for a video right there. I don't know where you're coming from, but driving over there took me around 4 hours on Google Maps, but in real life, driving over there took me around 5 hours, because I stopped at Cathedral Grove, and also there's construction on the way. If you're driving there, please check the BC Road Closures website and you will get an update on whether they're going to be closing down the road because of construction. These closures may take up to an hour, 30 minutes, I don't know, depending on what time of the year it is. I have put their website link down in the description. You can just go and check it out and see if it's a good idea to drive. I highly recommend driving though because of Cathedral Grove and the views. I will just put some of the views that I saw driving there right here on this video, and that will be the outro of the video. So if you like this video, please leave a comment, like, or subscribe if you feel so inclined.